everyone, I'm Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I'm going to show off the Sentimental Swirls. The great thing is it coordinates with the flowers and leaves punch. Oh, make sure that you're not getting a shine on there. And also the strawberry builder punch for some of these flowers as well. So sit back, relax. All the supplies are in the description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like and share. Let's get to making a card. right, there you have it. A really quick thank you card using the Sentimental Swirls and the Flower and Leaves punch. Made simple work of those. I hope you liked my tip of using the cheater expendable scrap paper to use as a handle to fit the stamped images into the punch. Saves on your fingers and frustration. Decorated the inside, nice and simple. Decorated the envelope as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.